To Busch Gardens Williamsburg. We're going to take you on a walking direction to Griffon. So walk in the park. You're going to get up here where there's a three-way kind of split here, and you're going to go to the right. I'm going to speed it up a little bit. Just follow our lead. June 2025, summer 2025. Busch Gardens Williamsburg, Griffon, walking directions. Right, as we got Finnegan's Flyer, a screaming swing. You're gonna pass that kind of on your left here, and we're gonna keep it going. For Griffon, you go through the Irish section of Busch Gardens Williamsburg. As we continue on, we'll go through France section of the park. And here we are at this blue and blue color scheme, Griffon. So we're gonna go a little farther up. Here is our walking tour to Griffon. That's it. So now we're gonna take you on a POV. So here we go. This is Griffon, 5.3K, Busch Gardens Williamsburg with walking directions. Here we go. Hopefully.
Power and speed of the mythical Griffon.
Look at our view. Five, four, three, drop! Now.
We hope you enjoyed your ride. At this time, please.
5.3K, Busch Gardens Williamsburg, summer 2025. We take you in, get a look at this car. As you can see, it's 10 seats across, 3 rows, 30 riders. Like and subscribe.